Lord and Chancellor, I have the honour to present for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, John Arnott. Richard Guy.
Lots of different degrees are represented at our annual graduation ceremony, and the new graduates who came to university from a great range of schools and backgrounds go forward into a very wide range of occupations. But all of them have invested several years here, not just in gaining a degree and a deep knowledge of their subject, important though these things are, but in preparing for the excitement and challenge of the fast-changing world that lies beyond a degree. A world in which many of them will leave behind the subjects they studied, but in which they will all need and use the skills and experience they gained through being students.
Throughout the year, young people visit Dundee University to discover, with the help of students and staff, more about some of the courses which they might want to study. Although a high proportion of law students intend to enter the legal profession, there is an increasing number who take a law degree with the intention of working in industry or commerce or government. In addition, law is as complex as life itself, and there are many aspects of the discipline which are unknown to students when they embark on the course. Therefore, the law course has been designed in the form of an inverted pyramid. In their first year, 90 or so students take what may be thought of as a core course. In second and later years, the required element diminishes, allowing each student to explore and develop expertise in those aspects which both stimulate interest and provide the necessary training for a future career. The law library provides the basic resource for all these aspects. Staff, of course, are ready and willing to advise and guide students when any choices need to be made. The staff are responsive to new developments too, and we have established a Centre for Petroleum and Mineral Law Studies for this reason. The Centre is actively conducting both academic research and research into the practical problems facing industry, as well as providing courses for students. The Schools of Architecture and Town and Regional Planning are housed in a purpose-designed building on the university campus, and students are members of both the university and the College of Art. The course in architecture emphasises project work, uses problem-solving techniques, and is organised on studio workshop principles. The main theme is to ensure that there is a full understanding of human needs when designing buildings and other projects. We normally interview applicants in order to assess motivation and suitability to undertake the course, and this process enables us to make reasonable offers to those of the 450 or so applicants whom we would like to have fill our 45 places. The biological sciences area may be seen as containing not only the traditional subjects, that's biology, botany and zoology, but also microbiology and the full range of paramedical sciences, that's biochemistry, pharmacology and physiology. After a first year, which includes the course in biological sciences, a wide range of options leading to either single or joint honours degrees is available, and students are able to defer their final choice until the end of the second year. In biological sciences, we have a worldwide reputation for excellence in research, and this creates a stimulating environment for students to learn the essential skills and concepts before pursuing their careers. At Dundee, we offer courses in the three most important fields of engineering today: electronic engineering, civil engineering, and a new course in Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Manufacture, designed to take account of the increasing importance of robotics. The close affinity between engineering and physics is reflected in the existence of the Department of Physics and Electronic and Manufacturing Engineering. This new department enables students to gain a more comprehensive view of areas of specialisation before making their final choice.
At the moment, I've just been looking at a new amorphous silicon memory device made from a material called amorphous silicon, which we pioneered here in this laboratory. In fact, the material's already got a large number of applications. If you've got calculators at home, like the one I have here, it's almost certainly got a piece of amorphous silicon in to drive the calculator electrically.
As well as an Honours BSc in Physics, Honours Bachelor of Engineering degrees are awarded in the mainstream engineering courses, and Joint Honours BSc degrees for those choosing to study Engineering and Economics or Civil Engineering with either Building Management or Management Accounting or Management Law. The Joint Honours degrees are designed for students seeking careers in commercial and administrative fields. Of course, not all of a student's time at university is taken up with formal teaching, and facilities such as the library are an important part of the resources. Here at Dundee, we're particularly proud of the new library due to open in 1988, which will greatly enhance the service to students and staff alike. The university has no real accommodation problem and is able to house around half of its full-time students in owned and leased property. Approximately half of these places are in halls of residence, which are either on the campus or within 10 minutes walk. Self-catering university houses and flats are similarly situated. Halls of residence provide a full meal service and are fully furnished and centrally heated, the majority of rooms being designed for single occupancy. A hall of residence is not just a place in which to eat and sleep. It is a community of students at different stages in their careers, doing different courses, and from different countries and backgrounds, and helps new students make friends and provide a worthwhile contribution to university life. Of course, life at university is not all work. In the Students' Association, you'll find a wide variety of facilities for meeting with other students, relaxing, and having meals in the meantime too. One of the facilities you'll find in the Students' Association building is the Physical Education Department's pool. In the Sports Centre itself, there are superb gymnasia and weight training facilities, and you can take part in many sports which you would never even have imagined before you came up to university. The Physical Education Department also has superb playing field facilities.
Very active university, just the right size to be a great place to be a student.